think people should come to Jamf Nation Live just to really sort of integrate with the community, to learn what people are talking about here and everything on show. You know, Jamf have some great workshops, making everyone aware of all the latest things that are coming out, but also how to make use of the things that they have today as well.
It's a perfect place to network, to obviously gain knowledge and see what Jamf is doing.
It's always a really good opportunity for us to connect with the people who make the software and our account managers.
We've used Jamf Setup Manager, which is a fantastic tool. So to actually meet the people that create that and get some more knowledge for them is fantastic.
You get so much information from the experts.
You get to ask a lot of technical questions. The sessions are really detailed. They're very friendly and accessible no matter what sort of technical level you're operating at. You're very well looked after and it's a fantastic fun day.
It's my first Jamf Nation Live. I feel like I've learned some things that I didn't know before.
I came here for the first time in my life and it was amazing. It's an amazing experience for me.
Find out about the new products and how to make work life easier. If it's easier, you sleep better.